हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कॉन्टिनेंट कॉन्टिनेंट कॉलिजन। कॉन्टिनेंट कॉन्टिनेंट कॉलिजन का सबसे यूनिक एग्जांपल है हिमालयास, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हिमालयास, जो है बना है इंडियन प्लेट के यूरेशियन प्लेट के अंदर जाने से। इन द कॉन्टिनेंट कॉन्टिनेंट कॉलिजन, एज बोथ द प्लेट्स आर ऑफ सिमिलर डेंसिटी, subduction does not take place. The plates which is comparatively more dense and more velocity slides beneath the lighter plates and uplifts upward. This is known as abduction. Hence, in this region, there is doubling of the earth crust, and hence volcanoes are absent in the continent-continent collision. But they have very high mountains, and it's the reason of earthquakes. ये क्वेश्चन है, इसको आप देख लीजिएगा। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हिमालयास, ये इसकी रेंजेज है। यहाँ पर इसकी ये रेंज सारी रेंजेज है। Himalayas are the youngest and the highest fold mountains in the world, which originated due to the collision of the Indian plate with the Eurasian plate. These two plates are separated by Tethys geosyncline, long, narrow, shallow sea. In the Mesozoic era, the Indian plate started drifting northward, and after separating from the Gondwana land, it drifted northward. The western part of the Indian plate come under the influence of the Reunion hotspot, forming Deccan lava plateaus. The formation का timeline है before collision, convergence, collision, upliftment, and present day. Himalayas keynotes. As the Indian plate drifted northward, initially the floors of the Tethys Sea were subducted to give rise to the mountains immediately to the north of the Himalayas, known as Trans-Himalayas. The two arms of the Indian plate, Aravallis and the Mikir-Rengma hills, gave the maximum push to the Asian plate, giving rise to the hairpin bend, जिसको कि syntaxial bend भी कहा जाता है. Around 30 million years ago, the first phase of the collision was completed, giving rise to the Greater Himalayas. If the Indian plate first collide on the western part. Therefore, the western Himalayas are comparatively older than the eastern Himalayas. They are also far away from the Great Plains. This is because the first push was much powerful. The collision occurs in the three different phases, giving rise to the three parallel ranges of the Himalayas. Shivaliks were formed 2 to 20 million years ago. The Himalayas are still rising because the Indian plate is still going under Eurasian plate, and it will continue till the isostatic equilibrium is not achieved. ये तीन पैरेलल रेंजेस है, ग्रेटर हिमालयाज, लेसर हिमालयाज, शिवालिक्स को आउटर हिमालयाज भी कहा जाता है. एविडेंसेस. The Himalaya is still rising at the rate of the 5 to 10 centimeter a year. With the convergent plate boundary and the rise of the Himalayas, there is an equivalent sea floor spreading occurring in the mid-oceanic ridges in Indian Ocean. Presence of the marine fishes, fossils and sediments in the Himalayas. Sea buckthorn मिलता है यहाँ पर. It is estimated that the Himalayas are extremely rich in the petroleum. The fossils of the flora, which is found in the Shivalik as well as Tipton plateaus, are similar. This shows that the Tipton plateaus, which was once on a lower height, has been uplifted. The presence of the saline lakes in the Tipton plateaus like Pangong Tso Lake, Somorari lakes, etc. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है ओशन ओशन कन्वर्जेंस. ये इसमें क्या बनता है, फॉर्मेशन होता है इससे आइलैंड आर्क्स का एंड फेस्टून्स का, जिसको कि आर्किपेलागोस भी कहा जाता है. It is formed at the convergent boundaries. Subduction of the denser oceanic plate, magma rises to form volcanic island arcs. Example इसका जापान, Appalachian Islands and Philippines. If both the plates are of oceanic plates, then they have similar density. In case of collision, a plate of the greater density or greater velocity may subduct. Sediment of both the plates are folded to form the submarine mountains. Due to the subduction, there is a constant volcanism. Layers of the lava built up and are projected above the water level, forming a chain of arc-like island known as island arcs or festoons. इसका example है Caribbean Island Arc, Greater Antilles and Lesser Antilles. इसका कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नोट्स है. सबडक्शन जोन क्या होता है, वेयर वन टेक्टोनिक प्लेट मूव्स अंडर द अनदर इनटू द मैंटल. वॉल्केनिक आइलैंड आर्क, फेस्टून्स एंड फॉसिल एविडेंसेस. रिमेंबर, सबडक्शन होगा, मैग्मा निकलेगा तो आइलैंड आर्क का फॉर्मेशन होगा. सबडक्शन पॉइंट इन of the deepest point of the Atlantic Ocean is known as Puerto Rico Trench. It is also famous for Mount Pelée. यहाँ पे न्यू आर्डेंटी है जिसको ग्लोइंग स्काई भी कहा जाता है. Japanese Island Arc. It is formed due to the collision of the Eurasian plate, Pacific plate and the minor Philippines plate. The Pacific plate subducts forming a trench. क्या होता है, Ryukyu Trench. Eurasian plate है, Pacific plate है. Key points formed due to the collision of the multiple plate subduction creates deep trenches. Example of active convergent boundaries. Third example is Philippines, which is formed due to the collision of the Pacific plate with the Philippines plate. Pacific plate subducts and forms the deepest trench of the Mariana Trench. इसका चौथा एग्जाम्पल है इंडोनेशियन आइलैंड आर्क. The Indonesian region is tectonically unstable because it is at a junction of the three major plates: Indo-Australian Plate, Asian Plate, and the Pacific Plate. There is a presence of the minor Burmese Plate in this region. The Indonesian islands are consist of the numerous islands, out of which the major islands are Sumatra, Java, Bali, Borneo, and Lombok. It is an example of the ocean-ocean collision where the Pacific Plate subducts below the Asian Plate. It is an example of the ocean-ocean collision where the Pacific Plate subducts below the Asian and the Indian Plate, and hence we have numerous earthquakes and volcanoes. The deepest point of the Indian Ocean is Java or Sunda Trench, where the Pacific Plate goes below the Indian Plate. Of this closer the eastern part of the Indian, therefore eastern India is more prone to tsunami. ये इसका मैपिंग है. आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग कोई और टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी का. थैंक यू.